The Australian town of Berrima in the New South Wales Southern Highlands, home to Boral's major cement manufacturing facility. Boral's Berrima Cement Works has strong environmental credentials and energy efficiency initiatives in place. With capacity to produce up to 1.5 million tonnes of clinker and around 1.2 million tonnes of cement per annum, the Berrima plant supplies up to 60% of the cement used in New South Wales and the Australian Capital Territory.
The cement making process requires high levels of heat energy. Previously, the main fuel used for this process was coal, but Boral is always striving for ways to be operationally competitive and more sustainable. To reduce fossil fuel dependency and improve the company's sustainability, Boral undertook a project to offset its coal usage with process waste-derived fuels. This project was commissioned in mid-2018. Important to the success of this project was having the right material handling equipment. Konecranes provided us with a 24/7 automatic waste handling crane, technical expertise and support. A combination of waste, wood and refuse-derived fuels is delivered by truck. The crane then moves the material into hoppers and onto a conveyor belt system. Additional material is moved into temporary storage. Waste that would have gone to landfill is now being used as fuel, reducing our environmental impact and providing us with a cost saving as well. It's truly a win-win situation.
The crane has a specialised grab attachment that can pick up 10 cubic metres of waste material at a time. With the light waste densities at Boral, this is typically about 4 tonnes. Importantly, Konecranes also has smart technology built into the crane to enhance its safety. For example, if it comes too close to a wall or object, it will automatically stop to prevent a collision.
There's a natural learning curve with such an advanced crane, especially in setting up the parameters. Konecranes provided us with the support throughout the whole process. There were layout and engineering options we had to consider. For example, Konecranes industry specialist was a great help. He provided us with the best and most efficient outcome. With such a specialised crane, we have also entrusted Konecranes with all ongoing crane service and maintenance. Our coal offset project is a major part of Boral's sustainability expansion. We are looking into an extension to our storage building that would increase the waste storage area and allow us to offset even more coal in the future.
Boral's expansion is a great benefit to the local community, and the company is grateful for the key part Konecranes plays in handling the plant's waste. Boral is currently in talks with Konecranes about further expansion.